Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. You can see I've got a Apple charger. Here's the Apple end, and yeah, my kids are beasts. Look what they did to this thing. So today, what I'm gonna do is show you how to fix that. Let's set you down. Get you in, strapped in. Okay, and I'll show you. So I got these USB-A repair pieces off of Amazon. So they come with like two little shrouds, and then a solderable USB-A, and then just kind of clips in here and goes down in there. So let's do it to it. All right. So what we're gonna have to do is cut off the mangled bit here. Jesus, I hate to see the other guy. My God. All right, so we're just gonna perform a little bris here. Oh, yikes. Okay, you will be missed. Pour for some liquor out for you later. All right, so this is just a covering here. It's got that, nylon woven covering. We got like a kind of a nice sheathed cable under there. So we're very gently going to strip this very carefully. And what do we got here? We got some foil, right? Hey. Interesting. No. So we've got black. Can you see this? We got black, green, white, and yellow. So the question is, what's what? I don't know. So let's. I'm gonna Google it real quick. See if this is some kind of alternate deal or something. I'll be right back. Hang on. Alright, so what I did, everybody, is I've got 5 volts set up here. I looked, and if I take it at face value, I would assume that black should be black, and that green is data, and that white is data, and that yellow is the power. So what I'm gonna do is I got 5 volts. This cable in particular has a little spot here where it can light up. Let me see if we can get this a little bit better. So it's got this little spot here where it'll light up green. So I think what we'll do is we'll just strip a little bit of this in both colors. There's the yellow and the black. Okay. Okay. Keep your eye right here. See, nothing with yellow. But white, on the other hand. So I'm gonna go with black and white are the plus. What we can do is I only have one Apple device, and it's the one I'm using right now. But I think what I'll do is we'll strip this white wire. And, I mean, we gotta kind of strip them all anyways, but what I'm thinking is that I'm gonna pause it here and I'm gonna hook this up and then I'm gonna plug it in, and if the phone charges then I know we're good to go. And then then I got green and yellow. So I don't know, I guess, we'll figure it out. At that point, then we have a 50% chance of getting it right. All right, hang on, everybody. All right, everybody. One thing I noticed, it's kind of hard to tell, but what I did notice is when I put on my my X-ray specs here, that the black wire is pretty thick and the white wire is pretty thick. Actually, quite a bit thicker than the other two. So I'm pretty sure those are the power wires. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wire it up just like I normally would. So over here, I'm gonna do like power, whatever the standard pinout is. I'm gonna go look at it now. But like power, data plus, data minus, ground. Hang on, we'll be right back. All right. So normal USB is red, white, green, black, and that's power, data minus, data plus, and ground. So, but in our case, I think we're gonna go white, yellow, green, black. All right. Alright, so now you can see white, yellow, green, black. Okay. Now the $64 million question, is it gonna work? And I don't know what's gonna happen. Let me pause this and so I can plug this into my phone, and we'll go from there. Hang on, be right back. Alright, everybody, I actually think it's backwards. Kind of hard to tell. When I plugged it into the brick, it didn't light up, so I'm pretty sure that we have the it can only be one of two ways, right? So we're gonna flip them. All right, so as far as power goes, like I said, it could only be, I think one of two ways. So let's try this. Hang on, be right back again. All right, everybody, we're gonna do one more thing, which is we're actually gonna check it coming out of a socket. I've got an adapter here, I'm using the What's Up Pro again, but I've got this plugged in, right? So now we're gonna figure out where the power is coming from. All right, and just to make sure we know what's going on. So we're gonna go from here to here. Okay, so it's showing minus 5.1, so plus has to go over here. Over there, and then if we touch the case, yeah, so plus definitely goes on the left side of the on the right side, rightmost connection. Let me zoom you back out here. nothing. So what did I smoke it? Did I kill it? Oh yeah, I think so. Because it's shorting out now. So, okay. Well, I guess it's RIP after all. No big deal. You can't win them all, everybody. So, I guess that's it for this. But, in case I need to fix something else. Oh well. Let's pull this back a little bit. Make sure that we're not totally screwed up here. Okay, let's try this again. This is 5 volts. I said it was going to be on the white. Oh yeah, so the power supply is just going to 0 when I touch them together. So RIP to this cable. We'll steal the little rubber floppy donkey take off of it, and we'll throw the rest away. All right. Thanks for watching this failed experiment, everybody. All right, easy.